Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to start off, we're going to swipe down from the top of our screen twice, which will show us our toggles, and one of those will be the Do Not Disturb mode. Once you see it first time around, I recommend holding it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Once you've gone through all the settings in here, you can then close this up, and then whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, just find it, tap on it, select Turn On. You also have this checkbox already selected by default, so don't remind me again, as it does give you a quick message about the Do Not Disturb mode for the first time. So in Do Not Disturb mode, you will only receive notifications for alarms, timers, and calendar events. So any kind of like calls, messages, and so on will just kind of be silent, and you won't really see or hear them come through. Anyway, we're gonna select Turn On, and that's it. It's now enabled. Now by default you will need to remember to turn it off. This mode will run indefinitely otherwise in the background. So once you're done with the Do Not Disturb mode, just find the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.